So, we're off on a wild camp. Hey, YouTubers, I'm quite sure where we're going to go. I've got a rough idea. Might be a pub park, car park. So, be in the pub, and then back in dinner in the van, and hopefully, if I can get where I want to go, should wake up to a beautiful view. So, fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. So, come to the pub and grill, get myself a beer. So, good night in the pub. This is not stealth camping. You can't stealth camp in a motorhome, unfortunately. It pretty stands out, but we're in a pub car park. I don't need to be stealthy. All my curtains are closed. Just want to show you this, my new mod. And let's see which side is probably the best one for this one. It's this side. So these are magnets, and they're just disc magnets. I've had a few beers. And then on the side here, as you can see, they're just magnets with holes on, and that holds the curtain. And then when I'm doing the curtain tie backs, it all just fits perfectly together. So perfectly okay. So yeah, my lights are working. I've got a curtain covering the cab. Not necessarily stealth camping, but again, I think putting screen covers on kind of screams slightly that I'm sleeping in the vehicle. I mean, at some point I'm just come to sleep, so I'm going to turn the lights off at some point and go to bed. So it just looks like parked up motorhome. And then obviously in the morning, get up, have a spot of breakfast. So highly recommend the pub. The food was beautiful. Beer was nice, reasonably priced, as you would expect for a town centre, but yeah, $5.15 I think it was for a pint of Peroni. So anyway, see you in the morning. Good night. Morning. Bit of a cold night. I kind of now wished I had a Chinese diesel heater. In the spirit of outdoor proper camping, wild camping. You know, keeping it real. Who needs heating? It's still warmer in here than it would have been outside in under a tent or in a hammock. So, and also it's been raining all night. I'm lovely and dry. I made a coffee without making a fire. Yeah, this motorhome living's not too bad, actually. So the big question is, can you make a bacon sandwich in a motorhome? I could do a brew at the same time as making a bacon sandwich. I'm never going back to hammock camping or tent camping. DK goes wild in a motorhome. It's not too bad. I'm roughing it a little bit. I can see you're judging. But you don't have to be in the middle of nowhere to be comfortable. As the army saying goes, any idiot can be uncomfortable. Only a true professional uses what he has available. And I now have a motorhome. So there. So there you go. My very first proper wild camp in Millie. So things I learned. I didn't bring tomato sauce for the bacon sandwich. How much of a mistake. So I need to get a bottle of tomato sauce, a little bottle of tomato sauce to keep in the motorhome. Batteries seem to last forever just if I'm using LED lights, so I don't need to panic about solar panels or anything like that at the present moment, unless I'm going to spend 2, 3, maybe 4 nights out not on main power. Then there's absolutely nothing wrong with just using batteries. Nice little spot. I notice there's a few motorhomes camped up. There's one just over in the corner there with someone. It looks like they're all parked up as well. They've got solar blinds in their front, I've noticed. Lovely spot, lovely view, good evening. It was a bit cold, so I need to think about either fixing the gas heater if I'm going to do this over the winter months. But the portable gas stove was good enough, the gas heater, sorry. Correct clothing, good sleeping bag. I wouldn't say I was cold. I think next time I do it, I will actually take the time to make the bed up. I think it would be more comfortable if I'd made the bed up properly than just trying to sleep on one side. I think that was laziness. I think the amount of time I'd spent in it, I think I should have put up the bed fully. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Click to subscribe, notification, etc. Tell your friends, and watch out for many more videos to come, hopefully. Goodbye, YouTubers. Till next time.